The death of Odera, the autopsy is out. You guys remember that Odera died in South Africa, and everybody was wondering what happened. What pied him? Some people were saying that it was drugs, too much alcohol, blah blah blah. There's nothing they've not said. But today now, the family members of Odera has brought out the autopsy, and it was poison that killed this young man. They poisoned him. So the question is, who poisoned him? Who poisoned him? And how long has that poison been in his system? Did they poison him in South Africa or in Nigeria? How did it happen? That is the question. This world is full of wickedness. This world is full of wickedness. Sometimes you think you have friends. No, you don't. You have enemies as friends. Friends, enemy, like Mohbad said. This world is wicked. Now the autopsy is out. You guys can read for yourself that this guy was killed with poison, not BP. There was nothing like high blood pressure. They poisoned Odera. They killed him purposely.